Hi friends, today we're reading Meet the Minions. Meet Dave and Kevin and Tom and Stuart and Jerry. They are all minions. They are just a few of the army of minions who work in Gru's secret underground lab. The minions have one job, and one job only. They work for Gru. The minions love to carry out his master plans. Sometimes they do not watch out and can make a mess. Once upon a time, Gru was a supervillain. He even stole the moon with the help of the minions. That was before Gru became a dad to 3 girls. Now the minions help him raise Margot, Agnes, and Edith. It can be just as hard. The minions help with more than the girls. They also help Gru with his new business. My life of crime is over, says Gru. Now I am doing something sweeter. Behold, my recipe for jams and jellies. Dave puts up a sign that says, testing in progress. Some minions start to mash fruit. Others just make a mess. At last, a jar is complete. Gru calls the jam Mr. Gru's old-fashioned jelly. The minions cheer until they taste it. Yuck! It may not be as exciting as stealing the moon, but Gru, the minions, and the girls seem pretty happy anyway. When it is Agnes's birthday, Gru throws her a princess party. He invites her friends, and they come in fun costumes. A dragon is coming, says Agnes. Kyle, their pet, is dressed up as a dragon. Call the knights, says Margot. The minions march out wearing tiny suits of armor. The minions are the knights. They pretend to attack Dragon Kyle. They end up fighting one another. Agnes laughs and tells them, fight the dragon, not one another. The next day, something strange happens. A mysterious car appears on the street. Gru leaves the house to check it out. In a fiery flash, he is gone. Someone has taken him. Tom and Stuart peek around the corner just in time to see Gru disappear. Boss, boss, they shout as the car drives away. Tom and Stuart look at each other. They know they have to act fast. Gru is in trouble, and the minions have to help. Tom leaps and lands on the car. Stuart tries to jump too, but his suspenders get stuck. He is pulled along. The woman driving the car is a secret agent named Lucy. She spots the minions and captures them too. She zaps them with the AVL-issued lipstick. Lucy takes Gru and the minions to the headquarters of the Anti-Villain League. Gru, we need your help, says Lucy, to save the world from a supervillain. Gru thinks about the job offer. He knows his jelly tastes gross, so he and the minions say yes. It will be more fun to be super spies. Back at home, Gru, Tom, and Stuart tell the other minions about their new mission. All the minions cheer. The minions never liked the yucky jelly anyway. They happily smash all the jelly jars. Gru is happier than ever. He has a loving family, an awesome new job, and many minions. Wow, that was a great story. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Read Aloud fun. Have a great day.